Hello everyone, this is Aman Bakshi. Let's start with creating this project. We are going to use Firebase Realtime Database for this. So first let's see what is Firebase Realtime Database. It is a real-time database. That means the updates happens in real time. Whatever data is in the database or updated in the database, it is synced in real time across all clients and all devices. It has a NoSQL cloud structure. NoSQL means that there is no relationship between the tables and it's not in a tabular form. We need to create our own hierarchy, our own setup. We need to maintain the relationship between the nodes. This is easier to access, and the Firebase applications are easier to make because we don't have to deal with the server side code. You just need to enter queries, whatever you want to extract from the database. You have to create queries for that, but put them in the app side, not on the server side. So this is the main feature of the Firebase real-time database. And the other feature is that even if your app goes offline, this real-time database has automatic cache capability. That means that it will save the optimal amount of cache in your device, and then when the app goes offline or the device goes offline, the user can see the data even without the internet. Let's just start with the Firebase real-time database. First let's create a new app in our Android Studio. Let's see, I'll select empty activity, and then we'll give this a name. Let's give it note taking app, because this course will take you further and we'll create a whole app, but for now I'm going to show just login. So let's see, the API level should be 16 because Firebase supports API level 16. So let's put that, and we'll do it in Java for now, and let's click finish. It's creating the project. So while this project is being created, let me tell you about how we will go about setting up the Firebase and the connection to this app, how the Firebase will be connected to this app. And the first step would be signing in into Firebase. You can just sign up for the Firebase real-time database. You have to just sign in. You have to create an account. Then when you click on go to console, so this page will show up. It's loading. I have already created an account, so it's showing this. And for this, you need to create a new project. I have already created it. Let me show you how to do it. You just click on this, add new project, and then you type note taking. Let's give it the same name. You click on continue. Here it is asking that if you want analytics for your Firebase project or not. So for now we are not using Google Analytics because we are just making a app for ourselves, and we don't need to analyze the data or the user behavior. So we'll just disable this here and then click on create project. So after you click on it, your project will get created like this. Let's just open this. Let's see what's there. So here you can see that this is the dashboard of Firebase. This is the free Spark plan. You can also use this. You can see there's no app connected to it. So for now, let's see this. Our Android app is started. It's just Android Studio has created an app for us. Now we need to link these two, this Firebase and this app. So for this, we'll go to get started by adding Firebase to your app. Ours is an Android app, so we'll just click on this. It's asking that Android package name. So what is our Android package name? It's here. See, this is the package name, for my app, your app would be different, so the package name would be different. Let's give it the package name. So let's just write note taking here for now. Note taking. Okay, just register it. What you can see here is this debug signing certificate SHA1. This is optional. If we move on to Google sign in or we use dynamic links, then we need this debug signing certificate. For now we can just skip it and register the app. See, now it is showing that you need to download this Google services.json file and put it in the application folder of the project. We will just download this. We'll download this and see, now it asked me that which folder do you want to save it. So I'll just go to my app folder, which is note taking app. In this I'm going to the app folder, so you also go to this app folder, and if you have downloaded this, just copy this Google file here, this JSON file, you just save it. Now it is saved there, and you can see it now here also. You click on this Android, you see the view here, click on project, you'll see it inside this, see it's there. Okay, so what this contains is the information about our app, and it tells Firebase, it has the metadata, it tells the Firebase what is our app ID, project ID, what is our Firebase URL, and all that. So now back to the Firebase console. So this step is done. What is the next step? Add Firebase Sdk. So for this we need to copy a few lines from here and put them in our build.gradle. First it's asking that put it in the project build.gradle. So project build.gradle, let me just switch the view again. It should be Android. Okay, so now here you can see there are two Gradle files. If you're familiar with app development, you will know project Gradle is this one. So it is asking me to just put Google in this repository. This is Google's main repository, so it's already there, so we can just skip this one. Dependencies, it's asking me to put this line Google services 4.3.3. It's not there, so we'll just put it there, copy and put it. And the next line is in all projects repository we have to add Google, so this is also there, so we can just skip it. Okay, let's just finish this one first. We'll sync it. Let's see if there's any error. It will show us if there is any error in the configuration. Okay, so you can see that there's no error. We have successfully configured our project build.gradle. Now we'll open build.gradle of app module. So in this app module build.gradle, it is asking us to put this com.android. It's already there, so we'll skip it. Now it's asking us to put this there after this, so we'll just copy this and we'll paste it. What is the next line? Dependency, we are not using anything else, so everything else is set up. We'll just sync it. Next is read the guide for Android. Okay, so you have started building with Firebase. Now we can just continue to console. So it is all set up. So it's simple, right? So we just put all the code whatever Google has provided as in our build.gradle and project.gradle. It's all there, and we have just copied the JSON file in the app section, which is visible when you see this. See, it's there. Okay, everything else is done. So for now our app is connected. If we run it in the emulator, you can see the app is running. Let me open the emulator. Here it is. So the app is running. So this is our app. In the next lecture we'll see how to enter the email and then authenticate it with Firebase. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.